Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. I actually think I've made this pattern before, but somebody was watching somebody else's video. I think it was just a short, and it did not fit perfectly. Let me just change this a little bit. I mean, how do you know where to put these objects? So we're going to take a Control D and make a duplicate. Do you put it there? Control D and make a duplicate and put it there. Well, that ain't going to make that shape. And then let's say, well, let's nudge it over 1 inch. And just nudge it over, whoop, wrong way. This piece has to fit into this piece. And you could sit there and play with that, I think, forever. That might be the key right there. Let's see what it looks like. And can't believe it was that simple. I actually figured out a way to do it. Control D and make a duplicate, 90 degrees. See, it's off. You can already tell, because if we put that on there, it doesn't fit. So I was never very good at algebra. I was pretty good at regular math, but I started thinking I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. And I started thinking, you need to divide this thing into quarters. So we're going to take a 2-point line and hit P. 2-point line and hit P. Don't worry about that, they're elongated. Well, I'll tell you what, that's not even what I did. Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 45 degrees. Control D, Control D. Take your parallel dimension tool and make sure you go from that intersection to that intersection is, I've got a different number than I had earlier. I didn't mark it good. Let's zoom in here. Parallel dimension tool from intersection 707. From node to node 707. So we have a perfect shape. So what we need to do is to change one thing, you can get rid of all this. If you take your Alt key and hold it down and then hit delete, it'll delete all those. Well, it shouldn't have deleted my circle. But anyway, so sorry about that. 707, just remember that nudge. We're going to change our nudge factor to 7.07. Control D and make a duplicate. Control D and make a duplicate. Smart fill tool. Left, right, left click, right click. I get so used to doing it, I forget to mention it. Rotate that 90 to Control D and make a duplicate. Go back to 0 and see how that's perfect. And then all you have to do is match it up. And look at it. Well, it does fit. My hand jumped right at the end. Now we're doing very good. There we go. It fits perfectly. The good thing about the 707 rule, it's still 707 and hit it twice. You could double it, but you can just change it twice. Now you can keep going as far as you wanted to. Hit the plus key and go down and over. Everything's equal. So I don't know what I was doing. Let me back up a step. I moved it over here, yeah. So I'm going to hit the plus key and down twice. And then I can Control D. And you could keep going forever and ever and ever, and it'll be perfect. Now, and then you would if you wanted a square type pattern, you just delete some of these And I'm going to play around with this. I can't remember what I did with it last time. I think I did a 3D poor man's engraving of it. But I hope that answered his question. It just came to me. I hope one of my math gurus will chime in and tell me what that would be called. There's probably some sort of theory or equation to get that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.